Chocolate was once used as currency. The Aztecs and Mayans valued cacao beans so highly that they used them as currency. It wasn't until later that chocolate was consumed as a food. French fries are not French. Despite their name, French fries actually originated in Belgium. They were first served in the 17th century in the city of Namur. Ice cream was once a rare luxury. Before the invention of refrigeration, ice cream was a rare treat that was only available to the wealthy. It wasn't until the 19th century that ice cream became widely available. The sandwich is named after a person. The sandwich is named after John Montagu, the 4th Earl of Sandwich. Legend has it that he invented the sandwich so that he could eat with one hand while he played cards. Coffee was once banned in England. In the 17th century, coffee was viewed as a dangerous and subversive drink. King Charles II banned coffeehouses in England, but the ban was eventually lifted due to public outcry. The first chocolate chip cookie was an accident. The first chocolate chip cookie was invented by Ruth Wakefield, who was trying to make a chocolate cookie. She ran out of chocolate and substituted it with broken pieces of Nestle chocolate, creating the first chocolate chip cookie. Popcorn was once banned in movie theaters. In the 1920s, movie theaters banned popcorn because they thought it was too messy. It wasn't until the Great Depression that theaters started selling popcorn again as a way to boost sales. Pizza was not invented in Italy. While pizza is often associated with Italy, it was actually invented in Greece. The Greeks were the first to create a flatbread topped with herbs and cheese. Fortune cookies are not Chinese. Fortune cookies are often associated with Chinese cuisine, but they were actually invented in the United States. They were first served in San Francisco in the early 20th century. Cinnamon was once more valuable than gold. In ancient times, cinnamon was so highly prized that it was more valuable than gold. It was used for medicinal purposes and as a flavoring agent. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fascinating facts.